Hi you guys, my name is Megan. I'm gonna be showing you how to do 5 different hairstyles under 5 minutes using some of my favorite hair products along with some bobby pins, a comb, and very light heat. We're gonna start off by doing the Effortless Heatless Wave using 2 of my favorite products. This is the Powerfix Firm Hold Hairspray along with Back to the Beach Texturizing Mist. These products are amazing. What you will also need is a comb of some kind. I'm gonna use this one because it has a tail at the end. And you'll need some clips of some kind. You can use bobby pins. I'm gonna use these guys because they can grab a lot of hair, which I like. And because my hair is dry, I want to dampen it a little bit. And then I'm going to section it off into 4 sections. So because my part is here right now, I will just let it be, but you can put it wherever you would like. I will come to the crown of my head and I will come back and drag this down to the ear. And I'll take this section here, just comb it out because you don't want any knots or tangles in it while it sets. And then you'll go in with your Powerfix Firm Hold Hairspray. This is a working hairspray, so it's great to use while you're doing the hairstyles. And if you have thicker hair, you can be pretty generous with the amount that you apply. And what I like to do is twist it away from your face. And don't forget to take it all the way to the end. I don't like when the hair is stick straight at the end. So twist it all the way down. And then what you can do is you just kind of take it like this. It doesn't need to be perfect because this is an effortless wave. You just kind of stick it wherever you want to, and it's almost better if it doesn't have this perfect twist to it. You don't want it to be too curly. And then come down the back here and grab this section. Let these guys cook until you're ready to leave. And there you go, you have your 5-minute hairstyle. Just let it sit for a few minutes depending on how wet your hair is. And when you take it down, you'll have beautiful, effortless, heatless waves. So now that you've let your hair set for a few minutes, you can take it down. If it still feels a little damp, you can hit it with a blow dryer, but I think I've let mine set for long enough. So I will take these down. All right, so this is what we have. Now just kind of shake them out. And then what I would do after this is I would recommend using the Back to the Beach Texturizing Mist, and what that will do is just enhance the texture that we have from the twist. So just spray that in. And the longer you let these sit, tighter the curl will get. And there you have it, your effortless, heatless wave.